Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into AWS Health Imaging. So let's dive right into the video. So let's talk about what is AWS Health Imaging. It is a fully managed service provided by AWS that allows you to store, analyze, and share medical images in the cloud at a petabyte scale. It is designed to simplify the management of medical imaging data. It helps you reduce infra costs and also enhances the accessibility and collaboration. So basically, AWS Health Imaging is a service wherein you can store your medical images, you can analyze your medical images, and you can also share your medical images. A couple of use cases that we have for AWS Health Imaging is it can be used at enterprise imaging. It can be used for long-term archival, wherein you have a lot of images that you want to store for archival purposes. You can do that. It can also be used for AI ML development. As you guys know, nowadays in the healthcare industry, AI ML is being used quite a lot. And finally, it can also be used for multimodal analysis. Now let's talk about a couple of key features related to AWS Health Imaging. It is a purpose-built storage. What do we mean by purpose-built storage? It is specifically built for medical related images, and it supports formats like DICOM P10. Another cool feature about health imaging is it has low latency retrieval. That is, it is designed for sub-second image access, which basically means if you require an image right now, you will get that image instantly. It is also very scalable. As we saw previously, you can scale to petabytes. That is, you can store petabytes worth of data. And of course, any service that you are using on the AWS platform has very good security and compliance. And it also supports compliance related to healthcare industries, healthcare regulations such as HIPAA. Now let's talk quickly about how does AWS imaging work. The first step is that you need to create a data store. This is where you will be storing all of your medical images. Once your data store is created, you need to import your data. So you need to ingest your DICOM P10 data. And there are about three different ways a couple of different ways how you can import your data. You can use AWS Data Sync, or you can use AWS Direct Connect, or other ways to import your data to the data store that you created. The third step would be of course, that is very important, that you need to configure access. You have to set up all of your IAM, because again, you are dealing with medical images and medical data, and you would of course not want everyone to have access or be able to view those medical images. And finally, once everything is set up, you can integrate AWS Health Imaging with different applications. So you can connect it to apps like PACS, for easy retrieval of this data. So let's now head into the AWS console so I can show you guys a quick demo related to AWS Health Imaging. Okay guys, as you can see, I am here on the AWS console, and again, AWS Health Imaging is a machine learning service provided by AWS. You can see AWS Health Imaging is a HIPAA eligible service. You can scroll down and view the benefits that we just talked about, a couple of use cases that we just talked about. And again, when it comes to the pricing model, AWS Health Imaging uses the same pay-as-you-go with no upfront costs. So we can quickly go ahead and click on data, create data store, and you can see that it shows you how it works, the three processes that we looked into. First, you create your data store, then you import your DICOM data, and once that data has been imported, you explore your image sets. That is, you can view, query, and you can manage your image sets. So we're going to quickly go ahead and click on create data store. You can see the first thing, it asks for your name. So I'm just going to type in test data store name. There we go. And then it asks about your data encryption. So you have two options. Either you can use an AWS owned key, or you can use your own AWS KMS key. Again, just for this use case, because I'm not really going to put any data over here, I just want to create one to show you guys. I'm just going to stick to the use AWS owned key. and we're going to quickly go ahead and click on create data store. Okay, so it says you must use valid characters. Okay, so let us see, let me try test data store. Hopefully that's valid, and if we go ahead, yep, there you go, that is valid. And you can see that we are in the creation of data store. Test data store is in progress. This process can take up to 1 minute, and you can see that these are all of the details that we have over here, and these is the place where we can import our data sets. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.